Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do is go over MinSwap, specifically MinSwap V2. So I'm pretty excited about this one. There's a lot of updates. I haven't gone over everything that we're going to go over in this video, so it's going to be a first for me as well. So, make a hot chocolate, get whatever you want to drink. I'm just drinking some sparkling water, but if it was a different night, if it was Friday, the moose would be getting loose. Right now it's Wednesday, November 8th, 2023. And yeah, let's dive right into it. So before we get started though, I do want you to kindly, softly tap subscribe or smash subscribe. Yeah, smash it. Smash subscribe. Tap the like button. Just tap that one. Tap the like button. Smash the subscribe button. That's what I need you to do. After you do that, we can get started. Then we can get started. So we've got a $1.33 trillion market cap. Moose's net worth is going through the roof. I mean, I'm up like a couple grand. Big deal. But one day it will be significantly more. So at least that's what the Moose says to himself. Comment down below if you can relate. All right, let's dive into MinSwap. So if we go on the Twitter or X, whatever Elon's calling it today, there was a big announcement on November 3rd. And in particular, this is the MinSwap.org V2. So we're going to take a look at this. We're going to check out what is coming for MinSwap. And for those of you that don't know, MinSwap is a DEX. In fact, in my opinion, I think it is a great investment opportunity, not financial advice. But MinSwap, the token, it's down right now. When people create their wallets and want to get into Cardano, they're probably going to want it. So let's check out the website. And this is minswap.org V2. So I assume it will be swapped out for the current version. So here it says Swift, Smooth, Superior. And again, this is a DEX. So this is a decentralized exchange on Cardano. And in my opinion, it's the best one. I've done interviews even with, with Wi-Fi and whatnot, but I just like MinSwap. It's been my go-to. Maybe not for yield farming. I do like Wi-Fi because it's just so much easier. You do fewer transactions. I like earning Wi-Fi as well. But when it comes to the UI, the user interface, and just the overall aesthetics, I like MinSwap. So this is the decentralized exchange. This is what allows for fast swaps, and especially if you hold your Cardano in a non-custodial fashion. So comment down below, what is your favorite DEX? Let's dive into it. Introducing MinSwap V2. It's the MinSwap you like, but on a whole new level. Swift, Smooth, Superior. So let's check it out. Auto routing. I don't even know what that means. So trade more, pay less. More order types. That looks cool. So it looks like a lot more fun. And look at this. Redesigned with you in mind. Okay, that's good advertising. A fusion of reimagined design, enhanced trading experience. So I kind of like that. I kind of dig that. It does look pretty modern. And again, they're rebranding, right? They're going for, more of a simpler approach, which they've always been simple. So even if we take a look, I'm already logged in anyways. This is MinSwap. I'm in dark mode right now anyways. So I assume that will be their dark mode as well. So if we compare it, so if we go from here to here, it does look significantly different. Okay, here to here. There we go. And it does look pretty different. So even under the trading, all right, we got some ADA here. That is way nicer. That's a lot nicer. That gets me pumped. That gets me pumped. So ADA, AJAX. So, okay, so that's the dark mode. And I like this. So you have the MinSwap wallet, and it looks like they're putting in a lot of effort for that. Comment down below if this is something that you guys are excited to see. So I already signed up for the testnet, so I'd like to try this out. I believe it's a testnet or, one of the tester phases. So that'll be really cool. What else here? So we got general portfolio view, experience MinSwap in a new way, redefine more features, da 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 da. So beyond ordinary trades with auto routing. So this is auto routing. So this is my first time taking a look. Harness the advanced smart order routing algorithm. MinSwap. Okay, so the auto routing evaluates liquidity pools in real time. If you're trading from token A to C and A to B and B to C, see, Moose has already lost like Nemo right now. Offer better liquidity for the trade AC. So really it's a V2 system that's more efficient for routing for swaps. So that's pretty cool. So this is going to be a lot faster, right? So trade up to 5 times faster. How do they do that? Plutus V2. So I think a lot of this has to do with the overall blockchain as well, because let's see, with double security audits, underscore development, it's a leap. Okay, so Plutus V2, I have to do more research on that. But anyways, it's 5 times faster. Again, I'm not a coder. Okay, so more orders. So that's kind of like, they're kind of taking a little bit of what Wi-Fi is doing, because Wi-Fi, when I was talking with Steven, the CEO, he was showing me how they can do a lot of orders. Okay, this is something I see. Stop loss. Bro. Stop loss. Guys, I was holding 30 million SNEC like 2 nights ago. And I'm like, dude, I don't even have a stop loss. So I had to get out of it because I'm like, dude, that's crazy. So, oh man, no more stressing. Because guys, what a stop loss is that if the token starts collapsing, you have a stop loss so it'll sell at a certain price. So you kind of need that. I like that. It's about time. I got to call one of my buddies. All right, that's dope. All right, it is 12:19 a.m. I'm not going to call anybody. But advanced order types, take profit to sell. Look at that. I love that. So even if the price goes up, you can, wow. Damn. When we get into a DCA out, like taking profits video, that's going to be dope. There we go. Now I feel a lot sexier just by this. This is cool. Comment down below. That is cool. That's hot. Advanced order. I like this the most. I mean, who cares about all these swaps in real time? You know what? It is nice because when tokens are really moving, you want this. You want this. Wow, I like that. Take profit. This is going to be a big deal. I think this is going to be a monster deal. MinSwap wallets. Look at that. Baby. All right, features you'll love. Zap out. That more stable swaps. Launchable V2. I'm curious to see how they do that. Advanced staking. I like that. We need more staking. I love staking because yield farming, I mean, really, yield farming's for the DEX. Because, the other thing is if token prices go up, you kind of want to sell, right? I'm a fan of yield farming, but there is impermanent loss. There's a lot going on, right? Because people are taking tokens and swapping them on other DEXs, moving it around. MinSwap Pro, unleash the potential with MinSwap Pro's advanced features, elevating the trading game. That's a cool logo. MinSwap Pro consolidates your trading needs with one powerful interface. With Pro, you'll trade like a true DeFi pro with an enhanced UI, deeper analytics and insights, lower trading fees, and more. Dude, that's crazy. As Trump would say, it's incredible. Just incredible. Advanced market data, automated strategies. This is cool. Like, this is what's going on with crypto. It's that it is getting better. It is software, right? You can always update these DEXs. You can implement more, right? And I like that. That's so cool. Apply for our closed beta. So I did that. Comment down below if you guys are getting into the closed beta. I applied. I mean, I even put in Crypto Moose. So if they look at that, like, come on, got to get Crypto Moose in there. I like this. By the way, whoever did this website, like, send me your ADA address. Like, I'll leave you a tip. This is beautiful. Frick, man, I wish my websites looked like this. This is so nice. So again, faster, auto routing. I mean, it's cool. I don't know if I quite understand it yet, to the extent as I understand the other stuff. Okay, I like it all. This is great. And this is cool. The advanced order types. I've been waiting for that. That is nice. That is a big deal because right now you're so limited. When does this come out? Does anybody know when this comes out? Comment down below when it comes out. Let's see. Let's check out comments and stuff. MinSwap V2, 5x speed. Wow, this is great, guys. This is a lot cooler than I thought. I thought it was like, oh, it's more UI. It's gonna look a little bit better. They have their wallet. No. They're like, we're gonna take all of the profits and we're gonna build something that is sexier than last time. Wow. Look at that. That is sick. It's like that one guy, it's like that Ed guy. Would you look at that? That is so cool. I like this. I think this is going to be a big winner. This is going to be really cool. And if you could do this on your phone, I might have to keep a couple thousand ADA just for trades, especially when we get into the bull market. Like right now, Cardano, like no joke, Cardano is setting itself up to be massively underrated for the next bull run. Cardano could do very well. Very well. Very well. Wow. I'm impressed. So comment down below. We don't have to get into it any more than that. I am 100% impressed with this. I don't know when this is coming out. I haven't seen the dates, but yeah, maybe I'll check out the Discord in a different video. So comment down below. How excited are you? In my opinion, I always like the UI. I always like the way something looks, right? It's just kind of the way I am. I'm all about the way things look. I like the visual stuff. Yeah, this is great. This is great. This is impressive. Everything about this is really like I'm abashed by everything. Everything looks good. It really is on a whole new level. I'm gonna give this like a 9.3 out of 10, maybe even a 9.5. That's a high rating, right? For this is great. This is great. So we're not going to get into it any more than that. I'm not just going to talk nonsense. If you guys want to learn more, if you want to learn how to use MinSwap, subscribe to the channel, type in Min or MinSwap. You can check out all the other videos, how to yield farm and more. I've been doing a lot of content for you all. And if you want, check out the link tree. We got a free ADA Cardano mini course if you want to learn how to stake, how to swap, how to do yield farming. We're going to have to do an updated version with the new MinSwap. And again, it's my favorite DEX, and I've been taking notes. Like, I think Min token right now, with the way that's looking, let's check out the token price. Let's check out Min. I only have a bit. I got to buy more Min. That is unbelievable. That's going to be a goal for me this week. So definitely comment down below what you think of Min. What do I got in this wallet? Like $200 worth? It's nothing. I mean, the token price fell quite dramatically. And I mean, for something at 2 pennies, this is going to be a big winner. Big winner. Market cap. I mean, if ADA goes to where it should go, I mean, this is gonna go mad. I hate to say it, but like this could be 10x, get you to a bill, another 10. I mean, this could be easily 20, 50x. This is crazy. I'm impressed. So comment down below. What do you guys think of MinSwap? What do you think of V2? I am blown away. That's amazing. So that being said, guys, also, if you want to pick up a hardware wallet, we have links down in the description below. Save yourself up to 25% off. Trezor Model T. You could also pick up an LEPAL, which I like. I have the Titan Mini. And we also have the SayQX. So that's all we have for you right now. We'll see you all in the next one.